Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Atlassian Access for SCIM provisioning, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Atlassian Access for SCIM provisioning, start by logging into your Atlassian admin account. Navigate to the Atlassian Admin Hub by selecting the Admin option from the main menu. Next, find the SCIM provisioning section within the Atlassian Access settings. Click on Enable SCIM to activate SCIM provisioning for your organization. You will now be presented with a unique SCIM endpoint URL. Copy this endpoint, as you will need it for your identity provider configuration. Proceed to your identity provider dashboard. Locate the section for adding or configuring an application for SCIM provisioning. When prompted for the SCIM endpoint, paste the URL you copied earlier. Next, enter the necessary authentication credentials. This typically includes your API token or username and password. Refer to your identity provider's documentation for specific authentication requirements. Once you have configured the SCIM settings, save your changes. Return to your Atlassian Access settings and configure any user provisioning options. These options include automatic user creation, updates, and deactivation. Make sure to define the user attributes that need to sync with Atlassian, like email and display name. Test the SCIM integration by creating a test user in your identity provider. Check the Atlassian admin panel to confirm that the test user appears correctly. If everything is set up properly, the user should automatically be provisioned in Atlassian. Monitor the provisioning logs for any errors or issues. Adjust the SCIM settings as necessary based on the results of the test. Once you are satisfied with the configuration, your SCIM provisioning is now complete. Congratulations on successfully enabling Atlassian Access for SCIM provisioning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.